napanapakan ng mumuoso. Napanapakan ng government, tukotokan, o itita ka naman lang. Official kan chorus, niyang catch the patronage. Kumalit ka chin kukuraya ko yan kakdata sa pagbanchay program ka sa college. Kung challenge siya piyata sa pagbanchay program ka sa college, ay inowan ko ang supplement ka na itita ka naman lang. When apali gantan kaya ka tayo o nag-check ka dahil Department of Resources and Development. Ay chumalengi ang so wow, o yan dukat, General Secretary, NUCCP, the Senior Pastor, Lithium Chile, Wen Sakara, and Ila, and Lolo and Ishtar sa Bulbajan Program.
And coming to you, Monegan Bagawan Pakita, Sabulman Kaun Puko, and Kapagat the Lolo. When Padron Pachang, they will call they will move for a minimum time. Macutton, the Padron Rai, Sabul Merton, Saratan, Kapung Kauno, mentioned Marine Brownwood, who be doing Sabul Rosona, who were in Sabaranpo, Sansan and Sabul Mayan, and Mo Russell, the Penny Cutting Kaipai, to Sabul Macabana, the Real. Sabul mesong ko kusunatan ko try may patoba kurai moriso sa ra tenin pagawan kapa men pagawan pagabal uran kapna koros child ketta marketing low ay patoon kapa Umay samat court at sobay tikalang irma kat nan maler nan lang wasaylila ukin katin kay rong sabul mar talen sampaw kaya nga kit sabul mar aramas ir court manaman o limpok katin kapagata lang sampaw mataw ka Katki yang out aparalkan koros, o bilkatin yang ati kit sabul ma aramas. Katki yang sabul ma aramas, manaman en kakairata. Wawawan ki akayik sabul ma kagugungkan ko. Katki yang kit sabul ma kuburakan. Mewuksang sabul mar kegugungkan korek sengkak apa-apali sabul mar aramas o kegugung korek main court level yete sabul mar ketika and non government non tiak non momot o yang apa benene Meheu kana mori social ranwat kuy kitatok patapat me yei emen sabul mar keiti en non government nintuan arkatin kakubraya kabna karyam kabna en katin itiat kagataryam sabul mar ko kusur son ko kusur na kirat bil katin kubrala Sawiyak iyo man ko kabalap mo rin so sa rangon basan kasawi tawang kami all minute meligilig o cover for ben way ko yang eri dan apali sabul ma kabugabanggan o kakairat kung kaksosir sabul ma tron way ragatin bumura o kadin kabaya tayo at ngaksin banana tigre banana la o bil kadin kubura kabina karyam kabina o iray sabul marko so ko kusenat kanne kamanala hol mana orang kakso seli kisaman je course me pananane ninduane kamere me yei me pan kapoi ben toto tupuko kasampal ragatin kubura tungal warak oya tungal serikan perangkan mesuka kiang koi kira pat-pato nan wei lau main kot lagal ragatin kapayata sapul mar kasarawe o kapayata tractor Yamada Numaran kot sam kot na o kot na isarap terus kati
Programming language, ignorant po. Amo nito ay nagpakita rin iya ka rin. Kamarapin kita. Ang ignorant po ay jumalandi kati na sa ulisan, kaya kita kanangin konti. Yana po ni Oliver o sa kunmatay tita kameraman la Hubert Yamada ang nag-asan ka ni Norwich.
Kailangan ng kami yung seated tayo lumitan patungan ta lupawat kung kita naman ang may gajin kumura po yung patunangan lupawat saya kuya yung magsakarata murayas ta patungan tadi basta Yamada so boy sa mga misarapin Kaugelar Monport,
Kaugelar Monport,
Usun Katete and Ranwood,
Usun Katete and Ranwood,
Nitanuya Puko,
Nitanuya Puko,
and Director in Department and Resources and Development,
and Director in Department of Resources and Development,
Meled o Lalapot,
Meled o Lalapot,
Uyang Wanay Kap Taras,
Uyay Kaparos,
Niyaitan Kakelaka,
Niyaitan Kakelaka,
Tausanan Kusunan,
Kausanan Kusanan,
o Kusunan Kan and Wayne Kunti,
o Kusanan Kan and Wayne Ponte,
o Wayne Kan Tebekabatbat in Micronesia,
o Wayne Kapabat in Micronesia,
o Itan, Nianso Chorus,
Nianso Chorus,
Utum,
Uchum,
o Lirorogi, Chia, o Wimuya, o Tututokan, and Wayne Kunti, as a Majai coach and Kajin Kuri. Wanita tulangan ijual sakarata. Idaan ka doon tunay ang ijual sakaratakan. Sakarataan wow kan kuburan sa Majai coach kayo. Kaduman wow lagi dahil paros magkachan wasak si Ranwood. Na ijual sakaratakan bigkacho nilang ijual sakaran bisik lang. Kan kuburan Darkson tunay. Kaduman wow lagi mo isa pa po. Naankan ko, iso ko, ligan ko, nanalang ko, naankan ko, uloy sokan, siri sokan. Laban-laban kalian siyang oras na wing country, kalian mumutso, o kalian government, takasilu, national government, country state, o municipal government. Rano siya yung wow, meron kan kuburan senior pastor, and UCCP, pastor net. Yung wow toro, meron kan kuburan speaker, Lambert, Vice Speaker Edwin, Wasakset, Floor Leader Honorable Michael, o Honorable Senator Corus mayang kat wasaksit Melel Chairman kan pintateng o pinyang suwasi apali kala naman lan amendment kita nominee kan ranwot Senator Saudel Yamaguchi Marvin Yamaguchi Ejungal Wow Toror Pitoke Karyam Kabnan Dundi Honorable Luciano Perman dito o Mr. Hubert Yamada Sabulmumi Survey Hubert Yamada dan Mr. Sopo Dahil Corus Magkatwasal si Ranwot dan administration watch staff o Corus Magkatwasang ng Kalyan R&D Ejungal Wow Moe Imen Padron Prem Kalwat o Kabeng Melelong Speaker, Vice Speaker, Floor Leader o Honorable Member Corus ng Sabunutay Legislature Case Ranwat Trikit ng Ran Katwisak Riau in Administration Watch may Wogaran Walu Tan Luwa at ang Yaran Ejungal Kabeng Lakan Kuburan Speaker o members in Legislature Case Pwede gumagitin tatak na niya o utuj niya tayo bawasan ki sa punatay Devin Masin na katawan ang intela ay katawan jumalan ki kato pwede utuj na niya sang rin ng daan kuburan legislature case Ranwat tayo kajiyan na tatakan kasarawi pasamo kawawi pilkan kapanga belil kuburan sa matay coach belil kuburan nakalakatan Corus at belil pil Mr. So wait Hubert Yamada o Ejwal Penini sa Pagdineng. Mga soja ray utut, soja ray ilben o kak sawase ilang itlog na wala so wait the Mr. Yamada and kak sawas o tata. Buka ko siyang walwot, R&D, kanyin kakayang way, agriculture, kanyin mature, kanyin naisa, fisheries, kanyin kalisin, kanyin life, Debarian tourism. Wasa silugkat Corus. Kajian menjadikan bagi kawayata o kakarada sa pantay dari way. Ikapin tu pergi dan ansur ni patro yang sokoy director Yamada. Puine ini puila. Epi persiayan ni mes kataran tu puine kan ugla, kecil-kecil abu inangi men sokoy dondi dan ansur kosong palwat. Itu mal kapten lah. Ibu-ibu itu nak kaya definisi, kita sabun macam cuma begini kan dia con macam, pegawai Corus yang menteri pegawai dan kapal sabun saya ini, tapi ngomong sebuah itu, pilih yang kita sabun murah, pilih begini juga, pilih sabun con macam ini kita ketlam. Ya jauh je pilih patron pergi con dalam Corus dan R&D, saya lengkap patronnya terkap, ucut Corus mereka. Ibu-ibu itu Pernah armasin bilka dengan Secretary Mario Henry, wagi utang instrumen katarala, so asal kita tak kayo, apa kita lah betul utang kosong kualiti, all manager so national government. Ay sukses di paduan tadi, Corus minpun pin nabil karpat dekat national government, and prodom pun. Utang na pala tamas pun pia, tak kedlang mas min talatin atas. Dari Sang contoh di kacawan yang biar sopoy dan Mr. Yamada om kairoy kan dia pun. Ranwat try namasani dia kan bekerja tempat kacawan sukses kirakan. Lebih kacau tiangan department in R&D. Kalian food, kalian masa ikan, kalian tourism. What Corus kana pun kena percaya kapali. Tapon kan kita tahu. Ranwat try ke tingso kai, I show you makoneng utang sansan. Kabisa review ng katawan COVID-19. Kagbiang tayo kailan po rin, check sa tali, yawasan tayo kagkas. Nasa pun tayo, food security, kita. Tagjayin au yawon tayo so, dan katawan lang ito rice. Nagin meat on beer, nas. Ranwood rice tayo, bisa ka natin jujungalan. Abot kat pa sa China, Japan, Australia, o wasa tayo. Asa pun tayo mga, isa pun tayo disabun natin sawa. Isang cerita. Dautan pun yang saya lengkap. Kamu apa-apa ni, kata-kata ni, kuat memang ikut kan para tali dia. Benta manawun, Rangut kan nasani sumau tagabin sale ang Thailand ka puye yeyas tagay lain menurti pengsa kaca. Ito yung rengetan dia ni kakasaletan mo sa Rangut ko. Song Jojo kap kaca ni tan sakartis. Ay kita jawan anso chorus ben. Chorus lo kasanger, pangasanger. Kat kajawan tenakasani lo kaya ata sote tatap. Malkajin kumura bintan teti. Terkap so koi tebeste Yamada. Enka kalwai trai pasaksit. Mobil juga kan chorus. Saya sa hospital ko awat wanta koita kay degito administration what kay degito don't teacher and so what's the chorus the time that you cut tepat pada don't nanti what odi dan ta tahu Mr. Yamada so boy congratulations o kalangan ng kubot chorus
And so session sa parliamentary program ay kadeten no watch the presentation of certificate of appointment. Kung ibat pa kita sa parliamentary kagnan ng konting and catch kita certificate with kita floor kita dan wala ng charity o kita so kita sudah di-pray ang karakter ka yan ang Hubert Yamada at yung manas.
Governor, Lieutenant Governor, Freedom, Legislature Commission, President, government members and pamamagitan, Chuntokin, State, R&D Chorus, at mapagkaitan, Salitan, Lucy. Governor, Chorus, Magazine, Pumita, Sen. I joined Governor Oliver in addressing the traditional leaders of the land foremost before I share a short remark. To say that I am honored would be an understatement to me at this juncture. I am truly honored. I am truly honored to be appointed by Governor Oliver, supported by Lieutenant Governor and the executive branch of Hubert State, and also wish to acknowledge and thank the 10th Legislature of Hubert State for according me your support to this post as Director of R&D. When I was asked to consider the post, it was easy for me to say yes. And let me just simply explain why. It's because over the past many years, many years, Hubert State has collectively come up with many good plans. Many good plans. And when I look at it and I thought about it, what would be my goal as the Director of state R&D. And I thought, this has got to be easy. All I do is I review what's been done and try to work with others to try to implement. And this was my answer to the committee of R&D. This was my answer when I was asked, what would I do? That was my honest and short remark. When the governor, especially just a while ago, stated that this post would be responsible for the Payaftan way, it almost makes one tremble because of the immense responsibility that comes with it. I mean, when we think about it, to be responsible for the resources of this state. I don't know about you, but it makes me almost tremble, maybe tremble, because I have accepted this responsibility. But I pray that with this responsibility, I pray that the office of the governor, and especially legislation and all the rest, I pray that we all can bind together in an effort to help one another. And in helping one another, we will help ourselves in different ways. What needs to be done? I don't promise more than what has been calculated, what has been put together. All I can say, I will give you my all, my best, with this responsibility. At this stage, I also wish to acknowledge and thank Secretary and all my colleagues at the National Government for also giving me the support that I need to try and master the challenges with you or with the department as a director. And I hope that with all the years that I have worked with the national government, that I will at least recall and try to emulate or try to replicate those that are good to share with those over here. For those that are with the department here at the state, I look forward to working with you. And our job is to collectively do that which we have been tasked to do. The portfolio of the Department of R&D at the state level is very encompassing, very, very broad. But again, I think we all know what's needed there. I can only say this, in my recollection of the Bible, in Genesis, it says that God created everything, seen and unseen, but let's just talk about the seen. So He created all that we see. And then He gave us dominion, gave man dominion over all these creations. And says, take charge. And so I share this with all of us today. Because I think it is our responsibility to take charge of that, to manage which is given to us, to be a good steward of what is given to us. For those of us that are here today, and to remember that these resources are also for those that are yet to come. And so this I ask that we remember. And so I pray that I will also remember this and do. And very briefly, I wish to also acknowledge my children here and those that are not with us today. I know we are to be practicing social distancing, but I thank the governor and everybody else for allowing members of my family to join me on this occasion. I simply wish to share something very, very briefly with you. My father, which is your grandfather, ended his public service as the director of R&D, the Trust Authority of Japan. And it is well with me. It would be well with me as being the director of State R&D as my last public service. Again, Governor, Lieutenant Governor, members of state legislature, pastors, friends, family members, thank you for according me this responsibility. Thank you for according me your trust and your support. Thank you.
Dengan wasa. Angkat pinau. Hey,